I guess the only way to jump into the next video when you have a shoe that's a high profile shoe like the Wings is on a restock. And you can see how dusty the bottom is. Back up and getting focused. A restock on the Space Jam 2016, the Air Jordan 11 Retro. And a little bit different than the Concord or other shoes that have been dropped by Jordan Brand that comes in the Wave or the Mudguard patent leather box with the slide out tray. This one comes in a box that has a sleeve, but it's not the slide out tray sleeve. And you see on the side you have the Jordan, and that's also on the opposite side the Jordan and the Jumpman logo, right? And then on the front you have the black Jumpman logo, and the same thing on the back. You have the Jumpman logo. But the sleeve, let's use the pull hole and get this out of here. It's the inside of the sleeve. The top of it has Bugs Bunny's hands forming the 23. But within the 23, you also have the 45. All right, and as you know, the 45 is what's on the back of the Space Jam. Here you have the Looney Tunes logo. So all of those different things, I'm sure everybody that got a pair of these could do this video and tell you what's there, but I'm just trying to make sure that you know what your authentic shoe should have with it for the Space Jam. And it's a size 10. The UPC is 888-507-264. 268, and there's a 14 at the end. All right, purple hole right there, and 45 on top of the box. So let's get this top off. Look on the inside, and it has the stars on the inside of the top. So if you don't have those stars inside of yours, you know what you got. You got a fake. Anyway, all right, so inside of the top, and we do have our 11 guard cover with the carbon fiber design. Now inside of that, the inside of the box also has the same theme with the stars and the galaxy. The paper is 45 printed on the paper, and there's a black sheet. Fold that over, and you have white tissue. So you have two layers of paper. One with the 45 print. So let's pull out Space Jam, and it has the higher cut patent leather here. So, and I'll go around the entire shoe, of course. Now, interesting here, that widow's peak that's at the front. There's another one here. Now, let's look at the right shoe and see if that's consistent. We'll see if it's on the inside. Yeah, it's on the inside too. So on the medial side, you have that same cut, that small peak, and it's on the right shoe as well. And on the lateral side, it's on the lateral side as well. It's also at the toe box. I'm trying to check and see if it's anywhere else on the shoe. Now, of course, on this one, it has the 45 at the back. translucent outsole, Concord. And you can see the carbon fiber. You feel the texture. Ballistic mesh. And that's basically the Space Jam. I don't have to stay on this one very long. But it is a good point that we just kind of discovered here with the Space Jam. Instead, those notches, this widow's peak that's at the front, on the medial and lateral side of both shoes. If anybody else has a pair, it'd be great if you could look at yours and see if that same widow's peak is there on the medial and the lateral side. But I know these are legit because I know where they came from. All right, that's it for the Space Jam. Let's get this back in the box and move on to the last shoe for today.